In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively organize your blog with a table of contents in Wix Blog Manager. This simple yet powerful addition can significantly enhance the navigation experience for your readers, allowing them to locate the information they seek quickly and easily. So let's dive right in and learn how to do this step by step. First off, you'll want to open the Wix Blog Manager in your Chrome browser. Once you're logged in, you'll notice the dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your blog. From here, select the post that you wish to enhance with a table of contents. Simply scroll through your list until you find the one you're ready to edit. Once you have your post in sight, click on it to begin the editing process. Now that you are in the editor, it's time to start structuring your content using headings. This is a crucial step, as headings help break down the text into manageable sections. You can categorize your content using different heading sizes: H1 for the main sections, H2 for subsections, and H3 for any sub-subsections that might be necessary. This creates a clear hierarchy of information, which not only improves readability but also prepares your post to effectively link back to the table of contents. After you've set up your headings, it's time to add a table of contents. You have a couple of options here. You can either utilize a dedicated widget, if one is available, or you can manually create one right at the top of your post. If you choose to create one manually, start by listing the main sections of your blog. Type out each heading as a separate item. Next comes the exciting part: linking each item on your table of contents to the corresponding heading in your post. This is done by inserting anchor links. Anchor links take your reader exactly where they want to go with just a click. To do this, highlight the text you want to link, and in the editor's toolbar, look for the link icon. Click it, and then choose the option for anchor, or add an anchor link, and select the corresponding heading you've previously set. Repeat this process for each item on your list, ensuring that your table reflects the structure of your content. With everything linked up, you're ready for the final step: saving and publishing your post. Before you hit that publish button, make sure to preview your work. Double check that each link in your table of contents functions correctly and navigates smoothly to the corresponding section. Once you have confirmed that everything is working as it should be, go ahead and save your work. Now hit publish to share your beautifully organized post with the world. And there you have it. You've successfully added a table of contents to your Wix blog post. This not only improves the user experience, but also enhances the overall professionalism of your blog. Thanks for sticking with me through this process, and happy blogging.